How to close Microsoft account permanently. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be quickly showing you how you can delete or close your Microsoft account permanently. So for this, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Google and you're going to search up close Microsoft account. So as you can see, you simply go ahead and write close Microsoft account, and that's going to bring you to the support page where it's going to tell you that this is where you need to go. So you're going to click on continue, where it takes you to the contact section. Now, once it takes you to your contact section, what you are going to be doing is you're going to be contacting them and telling them that I need to fully turn my account off. So you are going to go ahead and talk to an agent. Make sure to have the proper regional settings. So let's say I'm going to go with Canada, and I'm going to go with English. So what that will do is it will give us tons and tons of support options. So it says either contact your system admin. So whatever account you have, you probably have a system admin. So let's say I have this account that I was provided was through university. So my university is the one who can truly delete my account. But if you had a proper standard personal account, you're simply going to go over to support, okay? And you're going to contact Microsoft support and you're going to let them know that, hey, I want you to delete my account, and they should close it down for you. So that's pretty much about it. So come to delete account Microsoft, go to support, click on continue, and that will bring you to contact. And then once you click on continue, simply it brings you here, contact the support, and you're good to go. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.